Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. Chapter 6 revision we had completed. We will discuss textual question answer. And if you had missed previous video and if you had not written, then write it. Otherwise, practice it in your rough notebook. Tick the correct answer. Question A. You can keep your textbook open, page number 54. Questions you have to see in your textbook. The wearing of or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is called answer soil erosion. C. First C. Second, this may lead to soil erosion. Answer D, that is the deforestation. Second D. Third, soil is mostly conserved by A, answer afforestation. Fourth, the Wangho River, which changes its course every year, is in China. Answer B, 4B, China. Fifth, afforestation is a term which means answer C, growing trees. Question B, fill in the blanks. Running water washes away soil of hill slopes. Answer will be hill slopes. Dash forces like wind, rain and running water help in soil formation. Natural forces. Third, plants and trees hold the soil together by their roots. Answer will be roots. At places where strong winds blow, manure too is blown away along with the topsoil. Answer will be manure. Match the column. Loss of soil, soil erosion. D. Sorrow of China, Wangho. C. Third, cutting down trees, deforestation. B. Protection of soil, soil conservation. Fifth, planting more trees, afforestation. Write short answers. Look questions in your textbook. What is meant by soil erosion? The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is known as soil erosion. Second question. What is soil conservation? The protection of soil against erosion is called soil conservation. Third question. What is meant by afforestation? Growing more trees is known as afforestation. Fourth question. When is Earth Day celebrated every year? Earth Day is celebrated every year on 22nd of April. Fifth, what do the 3Rs stand for? The 3Rs stand for reduce, reuse and recycle. Answer this question. Question E. First question. Why do we say that the soil is the foundation of life? Answer. Soil is the foundation of life because it supports plants which provide food to all living things on this planet. Second question. How was soil formed from rocks? Answer. When the earth was formed, there was only water, air and hard rocks. The sun heated the rocks, the rain made them cold, and the wind blew over them. This continued for thousands of years. As a result, the rocks broke into small pieces. These small pieces again broke into still smaller pieces and were carried around by wind and water. They rubbed against each other till they become tiny particles of soil, and like this way it takes thousands of years to form the soil. This is the process that how soil is formed. Third question, how does water act as an agent of soil erosion? Running water acts as an agent of soil erosion. When flooded rivers and running water remove the topsoil, running water also washes the soil off the hill slopes. Like this way they act as an agent of soil erosion. Fourth, why do some rivers change their course? उसका बहाव है वो क्यों चेंज हो जाता है उसका? A river coming down the hill carries a lot of mud with it. Upon reaching the plains, the flow of river slows down. It leaves a part of the soil on its way. Over a period of time, soil accumulates and makes the river change its course. Like this way, some rivers they change their course over a period of time. Fifth question, how is the man responsible for soil erosion? Where trees are cut down by human beings, at that place the soil becomes loose and is easily carried away. Blowing of hill slopes is another human factor that leads to soil erosion. Sixth question, list 3 ways by which soil can be conserved. Soil can be conserved by afforestation, means growing more trees. If you will grow more trees, then soil can be conserved. Growing cover crops in plains such as grass and creepers, this will also reduce the soil erosion and soil can be conserved. Cutting the hill slope into steps or terraces. Fourth, by building embankments along the river banks. So by this method we can conserve the soil. On page number 56, write SC for soil conservation and SE for soil erosion. Planting more trees, soil conservation. Overgrazing by cattle, soil erosion. Deforestation, soil erosion. Building embankments, soil conservation. Fencing fields, soil conservation. Planting grass in open areas, soil conservation. Floods, soil erosion. Terraced farming, soil conservation. Storms, soil is eroded, soil erosion. Growing trees along the field boundaries, soil conservation. Thank you students for listening.